In this video, I'm going to show you how to start crocheting in the round using the chain method. Working in the round is used for projects like hats, coasters, granny squares, amigurumi, and baskets. If you're ready to learn, grab a hook and some yarn, and let's get started. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, medium weight yarn, and US crochet terms. Use whatever hook size and yarn you have on hand. We'll begin by making a slip knot and placing it on the hook. Now chain 4. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Some patterns may tell you to chain more or fewer stitches depending on the project and the type of stitch being used. To turn the chain into a circle, insert your hook into the first chain stitch. Slip stitch by yarning over and pulling through the chain and the loop on your hook. This joins the chain into a circle. For this demonstration, I'm going to be placing single crochet stitches into the circle. So I'll chain 1, insert my hook into the center of the circle, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. That completes one single crochet stitch. Again, insert into the center of the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. I'll continue until I have 6 single crochet stitches. If you'd like more easy step-by-step crochet tutorials made specifically for left-handed crocheters, be sure to subscribe. It's free, and tap the bell so that you'll know when a new video is posted. Your pattern will tell you if you're working in joined rounds or continuous rounds. For joined rounds, you will slip stitch to the first stitch of the round. So insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and the loop on the hook. You would then chain and begin your next round according to your pattern. If your pattern tells you to work in continuous rounds, you don't join with a slip stitch. You just simply continue crocheting into the next stitch. I'm doing single crochet stitches, so I would make a single crochet stitch in this first stitch. When you're working in continuous rounds, place a stitch marker in the first stitch of the round so that you know where the round begins. It can also be helpful to place a stitch marker in the first stitch when you're doing joined rounds as well, just to make it easier to identify the stitch you're to join to. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to crochet in the round using the chain method. If you found this video helpful, a thumbs up helps other left-handed crocheters find it. And if you have any questions, please pop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.